Hey there. In this video, we are going to talk about everything related to plastic being converted into fuel. Plastic waste is one of the biggest environmental issues facing the world today. With the increase in plastic production and consumption, the amount of plastic waste generated is also increasing rapidly. While recycling has been one way to address the problem of plastic waste, there are other innovative solutions being explored as well. One such solution is the conversion of plastic waste into fuel, specifically petrol. In this video, we will explore the process of plastic to petrol conversion, its pros and cons, and its potential impact on the environment and society. The process of converting plastic waste into fuel, specifically petrol, involves several steps. The first step is to sort and clean the plastic waste to remove any impurities such as paper or food residue. The plastic waste is then shredded into small pieces and fed into a pyrolysis reactor. The pyrolysis reactor heats the plastic waste at high temperatures in the absence of oxygen, causing it to break down into a mixture of gases, oil, and char. This mixture is then refined to produce petrol. There are several pros to converting plastic waste into petrol. One of the most significant advantages is that it reduces the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. Plastic waste can take hundreds of years to decompose, and in the meantime, it can release harmful chemicals into the environment, endangering wildlife and humans alike. By converting plastic waste into fuel, we can reduce the amount of plastic waste in the environment and also reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Another advantage of plastic to petrol conversion is that it is a source of renewable energy. While plastic is not an ideal source of energy due to its environmental impact, it is a readily available source of material. By converting plastic waste into fuel, we can reduce our reliance on non-renewable sources of energy and move towards a more sustainable future. However, there are also several cons to the plastic to petrol conversion process. One of the most significant disadvantages is that it requires a significant amount of energy to convert plastic waste into fuel. This energy can come from non-renewable sources, which can negate the environmental benefits of the process. Additionally, the process can release harmful pollutants into the air and water, especially if the pyrolysis reactor is not properly maintained. Another disadvantage is that the process is not economically viable in some cases. The cost of converting plastic waste into fuel can be higher than the cost of producing traditional fossil fuels, which can make it difficult for companies to justify the investment. Additionally, the demand for plastic waste as a source of fuel is not yet high enough to create a sustainable market for the product. In conclusion, plastic to petrol conversion is a promising solution to the problem of plastic waste, but it also has its challenges. The process has the potential to reduce the amount of plastic waste in the environment and provide a source of renewable energy. However, it requires a significant amount of energy to convert plastic waste into fuel, can release harmful pollutants into the environment, and may not be economically viable in all cases. As with any technological solution, it is important to weigh the pros and cons before implementing it on a large scale. Thanks for watching.